Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is a What's on My Nails video. Today I'm going to be explaining to you all my last nail visit, what I got, how I felt about the visit, how I feel about the nails, and ultimately showing you all what they look like and asking for your opinion down below in the comments. If you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. So if you don't know what my nails look like prior to this video, I encourage you to go back and watch my last nail update video, the What's on My Nails video. That video will be in my nails playlist, along with tons of other nail videos that I have in that playlist as well. But watch it after this video. So my last nails were pretty good. I got a neutral color. I did decide to get colored powder, and I loved them. I decided to go to one of my previous nail techs. This particular nail tech, she does nails pretty thick, in my opinion. But the benefit of that is they always feel really secure, and she does great as far as quality. Like, I never break a nail. I rarely chip a nail. I don't want to say never break a nail, but I rarely break a nail. So I went to her. She did ask if I wanted to get colored powder for the fill, or if I wanted to just get regular gel or acrylic and then have her fill it that way. And I just decided to go with regular. I forgot if she did gel or acrylic. I forgot. I'm thinking she did acrylic. No, I think she did gel. I forgot. I know it was like a $5 difference between the two, so I probably just got gel, to be honest. She told me that the nails that I had previously, they were lifting. So she filed them down really low, and she decided to do a overlay instead of a fill because of how thin and how much lifting. Now, I don't think it was the thinness. I think it was because of how much lifting and cracks I had in my nails. But to be fair, I did go about 3.5 weeks before I got a fill. So that was expected, to some extent. I knew that the nails weren't going to be in tip-top shape. I did pick out a design. It was a marble design. It looked beautiful in the nail salon. It did have a lot more white in the design than what I actually got. I ended up going to her salon on a Sunday. Sunday is by appointment only, so it was not packed at all. Vibe was great. It took about, I think, like an hour and a half to 2 hours for her to complete my nails. And during that time, I was also waiting because she had someone else in there as well. So it's just me and one other person. And when she finished with her, she got right to me. So I was really happy with the customer service. Now, what I don't like about these nails, I'm trying to decide if it's like the shape that I don't like, if it's the color, or if it's the thickness. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you all what they look like. So this is what my nails look like this time around. They are super thick compared to how I've been getting my nails, which I did expect a level of thickness to an extent. But typically when I go to her, I get a different shape. I get the stiletto shape. So I'm wondering if that has something to do with it, because this shape is just like square. This is this hand, obviously. But this hand looks a lot better to me. Like, I don't know if this hand is shaped better or what, but like, I can tell this nail is a lot smaller than this nail. Like, you can even see that there. This nail is a lot smaller than this one. And so, like I said, this hand is probably my favorite hand over this one. There's really not too much white at all in the design. Like, the bottom is white. Like, she did a white base coat, and she calls this design marble. I've had marble done before by her, and the marble was absolutely gorgeous. This is okay, but I'm not in love with it, to be honest. Now, I'm hoping that after wearing these nails for like a week or maybe a week and a half, I will start to love them or like them a little bit better, because sometimes that happens, but I'm not sure that I will feel that way. She did add silver glitter specks to these nails and then gold glitter with the other nails. I'm wondering if I would have liked the nails better if I would have gotten my stiletto shape. I'm pretty sure that I would have. So more than likely, I am going to get a new set. I don't know if I'm going to get a new set next time or the time after, but I can tell you that she did fill these nails, like the straight nails that I had from the prior nail tech. Like I said, she did an overlay pretty much. So the nails still look pretty straight. They're just super thick, but you can see the curve coming in some of my nails. My nails are naturally curved. And with the nail technician that I was going with previously, to going back to one of my older nail technicians, she did a great job with having my nails like just look completely straight without the hump, without the natural curve. So I know that the natural curve is probably going to stand out with this nail tech because it always has, which is okay. I'm just wanting to have like the regular nails that she does, which will accentuate my curve, and then also have the stiletto point. I think that that would make me like this, you know, like her work a lot better. As far as like the smoothness, these are some of the smoothest nails I've ever had. Sometimes when you get your nails done, you know, you can feel like different bumps and ridges, and the nails just don't feel really smooth at all. I don't have that concern or that problem when I go to this nail tech. She always does a great job. She prides herself on quality. So she's going to take her time and she's going to make sure that your nails are smooth, that they're pretty much the same length. She's going to make sure that they're not cracking on the sides. She does a great job when it comes to quality. So if you can see, I'm trying to get up close, the consistency of the nails, like everything is really good. They feel really, really sturdy. I haven't had thick nails like this in so long that it's definitely taking a moment for me to adjust to. So, I'm not really knowing. I mean, I do know how I feel now, but I don't know how I will feel, give it like a week. I just got my nails done a few days ago and they still have not fully grown on me. If I had to rate these nails, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I would probably give these nails a 6. I would give it a 6, give them a 6, I'm sorry, because I like the foundation. I like the fact that she did a good job overlaying my nails. She does a good job even with the design. Like the design is so intricate and pretty too. It's not what I saw as far as like the white shining through, but it's still a really pretty design. However, it's just, I don't know if it's the shape, the thickness, or the design that has me thrown off. I'm not sure what it is. Comment down below if you can catch on to what is making me feel like these just aren't it. I did give her a tip. I did, tell her that she did a great job because I do believe she did a great job. I just am not used to what they look like. I think, like I said, the design is pretty. I wouldn't know what to tell her to fix. If I could tell her to fix one thing, it would probably be just making this nail match this size. But I don't think that she did. I don't think she did anything to make the nails not match. I honestly think I had a bigger nail put on this finger than on this finger when I got my nails done with the prior set of nails that she had nothing to do with. So, that's that. Again, let me know what you think I'm most unhappy with. Next time, I'm definitely going to try a different shape. I'm hoping then that will fix how I feel about these nails. But I'm really not sure. Let me know also what you would rate these nails as, if you would give them a 6.2 or if you would give them a higher score. Just let me know. Let me see. For the fill, I'm trying to remember what she charged. For the fill and this length, she charged $90. She charged $90. And it's just so interesting to see like what different nail techs charge and how they charge. And, it's really interesting to me. I love business, so it's always intriguing to me to learn more about different pricing strategies. And I can get off topic and talk about business all day, but I'm not. I have plenty of videos on this channel going over business tips. So if you're interested in business tips, pricing your products, things like that, check out my business playlist. I have literally tons of videos in there too. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.